Welcome back to Autoscope. Kenworth Motorhome 2026, the pinnacle of power and luxury on the road. Exterior: this motorhome will have imposing proportions and powerful lines. Nonetheless, minor aerodynamic adjustments will be made to increase fuel economy and lessen wind noise while traveling on public roads. Wheel arrangement options: for optimal stability and carrying capacity, a dual rear axle arrangement is offered. There will be lots of roomy, convenient external storage spaces. By modifying their light pattern in response to traffic and road conditions, adaptive LED headlights will increase nighttime visibility and safety. An automatic wine sensor-equipped electric awning. Interior: kitchen, dishwasher, double sink, full-size refrigerator with ice maker, convection oven, microwave, induction cooktop, and clever storage space. With a large built-in closet and a cozy king-size bed with a high-end mattress, the master bedroom will be a haven of peace and quiet. Through an integrated smart home system that can be accessed through the vehicle's touchpad, all motorhome operations will be managed. The living room will be furnished with luxurious couches, massage chairs that are optional, and a cutting-edge entertainment system that includes a big flat-screen TV in order to promote socialization and relaxation. It has a strong and effective Cummins or PACCAR diesel engine that produces enough torque to overcome any obstacle and pull extra cargo. Gear changes are smooth thanks to an automated transmission. For further safety, it has traction control, anti-lock braking ABS, and perhaps an additional engine braking system. For optimal energy independence in isolated areas, it also has rooftop solar panels, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery bank, and a silent diesel generator. Has an integrated GPS navigation system with real-time traffic updates, satellite antenna for TV and internet, Wi-Fi, for better parking and maneuvering. ADAS technologies will include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera.